Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some important news to share about the Kissht app. If you're an iPhone user and wondering why you can't find it on the App Store anymore, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explain why the Kissht app is no longer available for iPhone users and how you can still get it on your Android devices. So, let's dive right in. The Kissht app is no longer available for download on the Apple App Store for iPhone users. You might be wondering why this happened. Well, it's because of some policy changes and guidelines set by Apple. While we don't have specific details on the reasons behind the removal, it's not uncommon for apps to be taken down due to compliance issues or changes in the App Store's policies. Now, don't fret if you're an Android user. The good news is that the Kissht app is still available for download on Android devices. If you're using an Android smartphone or tablet, you can head over to the Google Play Store and search for Kissht. Once you find it, simply click on Install, and you'll be good to go. For our iPhone users, since Kissht is no longer available on the App Store, you might be wondering if there are any alternative apps that offer similar services. Well, yes, there are several other financing apps and platforms out there that you can explore. A quick search on the App Store will reveal various options that can help you with EMI purchases and personal loans. Remember to read reviews and check the app's legitimacy before proceeding. Now, here's an important tip for both iPhone and Android users. App availability can change, and developers sometimes update their apps to meet the guidelines of the respective app stores. So, keep an eye out for any updates or announcements from Kisht's official website or social media channels. They might provide insights into future plans or changes that could bring the app back to the App Store. And there you have it, folks. The Kissht app is no longer available for iPhone users, but it's still up and running for all you Android enthusiasts out there. We hope this video provided some clarity on the situation. Remember, while we strive to bring you accurate and up-to-date information, things can change, so always double-check with official sources for the latest news. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech updates and news.